Friends, welcome to A to Z channel. Today we will discuss about the basic shortcut and basic formula for Excel sheet. In Excel sheet have to use more shortcut keys for our smart work. It will be consume your time. You see the Excel sheet. These are the shortcut for Excel. The all shortcut available at the description box. Now I will teach some of the shortcut. For example, Control A means select content of worksheet. For any column, you will select here and you will using shortcut. It will be select all worksheet, but you want to select particular column only. This area only you want to select. So you will select any column and using Control A, it will select content of worksheet. Second one, Control B. Control B is used for bold the cell in the highlighted selection. For example, I want to select the column and it will be highlighted. So first select the column and use the shortcut Control B. You see here it will be bold and it will be highlighted also. We have another choice. Select the column and go to the ribbon toolbar, select the bold, it will be highlighted. And third, Control C and Control V. Control C is copy and Control V is paste. Most of all people know that one. So first select the which column you have to copy. First select and using Control C copy and paste where we want to paste that item. Select the column and paste. Control F. It will be select the Control F means find. Okay, using to search the column or any find out number and any content of value you have to use. And Control I, it is used for changing the format italic to normal, normal to italic. For example, I want to change the format. This one italic, now it's one normal mode. So I want to put this one italic mode. So I will select the column and using Control I, it will be changed there. It's already changed. And I want to put in normal mode means you select again this one italic column. And Control N. Control N means you have to use or you want to create new workbook. It will be used. And Control O means you are using on Excel sheet. So it will be open for print for the current sheet. Control S, save the worksheet like this. These are the shortcut. All the shortcut is available at the description box. Friends, second section, basic formulas. These are the basic formula for Excel sheet. First one, total, average, maximum, minimum, count, round value, round up value, round down value. And first of all, you want to know total value and subtotal value. This is the total value, this is the subtotal. Okay, subtotal means the sum of the value of the specific column, and total means the total value of the all columns. This is the differentiate for subtotal and total value. For example, we want to find the value of this product or the sales. This is the data value. Okay. For example, I want to know how much sales on 28 April. So we are using this one, the subtotal value, in equal to subtotal. You have too much option. Okay, so you have to find this one subtotal, this one sum value. So subtotal means sum of the specific selected columns. Sum the range, we have to select the range. So D3 to, I missed this one, comma D3 to D7 and close the bracket. So 28 April 21st, the sales is 10,500, and same I want to know the how much sales on 29 April. So equal to sub total and select the which you want, sum, comma, and select the range, close the bracket, and the value is 7,883. So any we have to find the total value equal to sum of, you have to select the range, this range, comma, another range, close the bracket. So total is how much? 18,300.83. This is some value for 2 days. Second one, average. Find out the average value. So this is the formula, equal to average AV average, and select the amount or range. First range D3 to D7, and second range D9 to D11, sorry, D9 to D14, and close the bracket. This is the value of the average. Average value, you know how to find the average value. You want to find, you want to select the range divided by number of column. Then you have to find, this is the formula for normally mathematical formula. So for example, equal to sum of comma close the bracket divided by how many column? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Both of them same, so average value is same. So this is the formula for average. The third one, maximum value. So maximum value is, we want to know which product you sales in higher price or high price, equal to maximum of the particular date. So 4,000 is DTH value, DTH recharge, and find out minimum value equal to minimum of this one, minimum 1,000 real paperwork, and count. And count is, we want to know how many product sale on the date of 28 April, equal to count the value. So 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, and the round up value. Round value means now average is 1663.7.11.82. So it's only average value. So they want to know round. So round value, any 1663 or 64. So using the formula, round the value, then you want to single digit, so 0. So you see, normally all are know any value 0.5 or 0.6, it will contain 1. So 1663, it will contain 1 value. So and round up value. Round up value is same as like that, round. For example, round this is the value, comma 0. This is the value same. A round down value equal to this is the value, comma 0. The 0 is represented the single digit, and round down is it will be reduced. So friends, now you know what is the difference of round up and round down value. This one 1664 and round down value 1663, any one value for regarding this one point something 0.711. So okay friends, thanks for watching the video. I think this video is useful to you. So if the video is useful to you, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.